Welcome to our channel. Please like and subscribe.
Wait, before we start, how much European Portuguese do you actually understand? Not words you've memorized, not phrases you've seen in textbooks, but real, spoken Portuguese from Portugal. Because here's the truth. European Portuguese sounds very different from what most learners expect. Faster, more connected, sometimes even harder to hear. So today, you're going to test yourself. No pressure, no stress, just listen and see what you can understand. Let's begin. Listen carefully. Don't try to translate everything. Just focus on what sounds familiar. Here we go. Bom dia. Bom dia. Hoje estás cedo. Pois, tenho muito trabalho hoje. Ah, está bem. Boa sorte. Obrigado. How much did you catch? Even one word is progress. Now, let's break it down slowly. First line, bom dia. This means good morning. Very common, very important. Second line, bom dia, hoje estás cedo. Good morning, you're early today. Hoje, today. Estás, you are. Cedo, early. Third line, pois tenho muito trabalho hoje. Well, I have a lot of work today. Pois igual a natural filler like well or yeah. Tenho igual a I have. Muito trabalho igual a lot of work. Fourth line. Ah, está bem. Boa sorte. Ah, I see. Good luck. Boa sorte igual a good luck. Last line. Obrigado. Thank you. Now, let's listen again. This time, try to follow everything. Bom dia. Bom dia. Hoje estás cedo. Pois, tenho muito trabalho hoje. Ah, está bem. Boa sorte. Obrigado. Did it feel easier? That's how listening improves, through repetition and familiarity. Now it's your turn. I'll say a sentence, you try to understand it before I explain. Ready? Sentence 1. Hoje estou ocupado. Did you get it? I am busy today. Hoje equals today, ocupado, busy. Next. Espera un momento, por favor. Please wait a moment. Espera, wait. Un momento, a moment. Por favor, please. Next. Para onde vais? Where are you going? Para onde, where to, vais, you go. Now, a slightly longer conversation. No explanation first, just listen. Olá. Olá. O que vais fazer hoje? Vou sair com um amigo e ver um filme. Parece bem. Diverte-te. Obrigado. How much did you understand? Let's break it down. O que vais fazer hoje? What are you going to do today? Vou sair com um amigo. I'm going out with a friend. E ver um filme. And watch a movie. Parece bem. That sounds good. Diverte-te. Enjoy yourself. Now, let's hear it again, slowly. Olá. Olá. O que vais fazer hoje? Vou sair com um amigo e ver um filme. Parece bem. Diverte-te. Obrigado. Now, your final test. No hints, no breakdown. Just listen. Desculpa, que horas são? São 3 horas. Obrigado. De nada. Did you understand? Here's the meaning. Excuse me, what time is it? It's 3 o'clock. Thank you. You're welcome. So, how did you do? Did you understand more than you expected? Or did it feel difficult? Either way, you're improving, because listening is a skill, and every time you try, your brain gets better. Don't aim to understand everything. Aim to understand more than yesterday. Keep listening, keep practicing, and most importantly, don't give up.
That was excellent. Please like and subscribe for daily lessons. See you next time.